This question from the chapter Polynomial class 10th, it says, if one zero of this polynomial px, this is the polynomial, is negative of the other, we have to find the value of k. This is what we have to get. Now, what information is given, but before that, first we are going to figure out what is A, B, C, right? Or we may first find out that if one zero is negative of the other. So what does it mean? That say, let the two zeros be alpha and beta. So can I say alpha is equal to negative of beta as one zero is negative of the other. So we can write alpha is equal to minus beta. Now, if I transpose minus beta on the other side, it will be plus beta equal to 0. So we got, in fact, the sum of the zeros as alpha plus beta is equal to 0. Now, let's figure out what is A, B, C. As you know that the coefficient of x square is A, so we can say that A is 4 according to the question. The coefficient of x is B, so it's minus times 8k square minus 40k is B. This is B. This is equal to B. So I must write B here first. So we have B is equal to this. Now, what about C? C, as you can see, is the constant term, which is minus 9. Now, once again, you see what is ABC? A, which is the coefficient of x square, which is A. B, which is the coefficient of x, which according to the given polynomial is minus 8 times k square minus 40k. And if you compare the equation, you'll say that C is minus 9. Now, once we got ABC, what you know that sum of the zeros is equal to negative coefficient of x, that is minus b over a, and that is equal to 0 from here. Now, from here, we can see what is b here. If I replace this b with its value here, so I can say minus of this minus will be plus. So I'll be simply writing it is 8k square minus 40k by a, and as you can see, a is 4. A is 4 is equal to 0. Now, if I transpose this 4 on the other side, it becomes 0. So we write 8k square minus 40k is equal to 0. Now, to solve it further, for the remaining part, what you can see here that we can factorize it. I can see that we have 8k as common, right? So what we get, if I take 8k as common, we get k square, 8k as common, so k minus 5, right? If I, as you can see here that both term has 8k as common, so I took 8k as common. So dividing first by 8k, we get k, and minus 5 is equal to 0. This is what we got. Now we are going to compare both of them with 0. So 8k is equal to 0 or k minus 5 is equal to 0. Now on transposing k, 8 to the other side, it is 0 divided by 8, which is 0. And here on transposing k to the other side, it is 0 plus 5, which is 5. Now we can say that we have two values of k, and these are k is equal to 5, k is equal to 0, and k is equal to 5. Now, as you can see that here the k is not the coefficient of x square. It is very important to remember that we must cross-check by placing the value of k. Our equation should be in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, where a should not be 0. By replacing k here, we are not getting a as 0. Therefore, both values of k are true.